Mama and my sister steady fighting, brother locked away, my heart on low. My daddy calls but just confuses, he wasn't there when I needed him most. My little boy's crying in the hallway, acting out the things he can't explain. I'm trying to be the strength for everybody, but I'm drowning underneath the strain. And I whisper to the mirror, girl, how much more can you take? Nobody sees the storm inside me, nobody hears the way I break. And last night I almost let go, thought about fading into the dark. The world felt too damn heavy, pain sitting deep in my heart. But then I heard a quiet whisper, a voice I swear I knew, saying, baby, don't you leave yet. There's more left inside of you. My boyfriend loves me, but he's wounded. His childhood still lives in his eyes. He wants to give, but he's still healing, and I'm too tired to keep asking why. Got no friends I can call at midnight, no one I trust when I fall apart. I've been carrying everyone's shadows, nobody holding mine in the dark. I lay down with all my demons, they crawled around my bed that night. And I thought maybe if I disappear, the world will finally feel alive. And last night I almost let go, thought about fading into the dark. The world felt too damn heavy, pain sitting deep in my heart. But then I heard a quiet whisper, a voice I swear I knew, saying, baby, don't you leave yet. There's more left inside. More than an angel, it wasn't the sky, it wasn't a person telling me why. It was the memory of my child's laugh, the sound of his little feet on the floor. And something in my chest said softly, he needs you a little bit more. And I cried like the world was ending, shaking, curled up on the ground. But sometimes just surviving is the bravest thing around. Last night I almost let go, but I'm still here breathing slow. The pain didn't disappear, but I found a reason to stay near. And when the darkness calls again, I'll remember that voice that pulled me through, saying, baby, don't you leave it. There's still a story left in you.